This is a little interesting application we're going to look at, and we're using the Acuity AP820 -120 model, meaning it has 120 millimeter depth of field and a 60 millimeter laser line length. And what we're going to look at here in this application is we've got a clear glass, and of course we've got inside that glass we've got water, and then we have a golf ball. And what we're showing is how the AP820 can easily measure through the clear glass, through the water, and get a very good signal on this golf ball. And as we shrink it down a little bit, here's that really clean signal on the golf ball. And of course, as you see, as I move that, you can see it being displaced. We have a little noise on the side here, but still shouldn't be a problem, especially if we're going to look at doing some measurements of radius or diameter, so we can see a shrinking or a target that is dissolving. And so here, just to give you a feel, I'm zooming up on the golf ball, and this is 2 millimeters, or each of these squares is 80 thousandths of an inch. So you can see that we're actually getting down there, looking at the dimples on the golf ball. So that shows a really easy way that that the sensor had no special setup or anything. We're able just to turn it on and start taking measurements. We also have a couple interesting tools that we may want to try to use, which is a circle fit. So if you did want to measure this diameter, we can do that very easily as we're circle fitting this. There we go, a little bit better. And here you can see it's showing a radius of 28.3 millimeters. And so once again, as we move this in and out, you can see it's still making that 28 millimeter measurement. So just a real quick, easy example of how, and if we can see that there's the laser line, how we're able to measure through a clear glass, through a clear liquid, and also clear air too. If we had air in there instead of water, it still wouldn't be a problem. With the AP820 laser sensors, we can make that measurement pretty easily.